In today's video, I'm going to teach you add headers and footers in Google Sheets from the print settings. They only appear on printed pages or PDFs, not in the normal grid view. Headers and footers are perfect when you want printed pages or exported PDFs to include helpful context like page numbers, your file or sheet name, or a short note. Just remember, you won't see these in the regular grid while you're editing. You'll see them only in print preview on paper or in the PDF. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Go to File, then Print, or use the shortcut Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on a Mac. This opens the print preview with a panel on the right where all your print settings live. In that panel, find the section labeled Headers and Footers and expand it. Here you can quickly turn on built-in options. If you enable page numbers, Sheets will number each page in order. Workbook title inserts the name of your file, which is handy for multi-document reports. Sheet name adds the tab name, helpful when you're printing more than one tab. Current date and time capture when you printed or exported, which can be useful for time-sensitive reports. As you check these boxes, look at the preview to see how your pages will look. These fields are placed in standard header and footer areas automatically, so you don't have to worry about alignment for the built-ins. If you want something more specific, like your company name, a short report title, or a confidentiality note, click Edit Custom Fields or Custom Fields in the same section. You'll see editable boxes for the left, center, and right areas of the header and the footer. Click into any box and type your text. Keep it concise so it doesn't wrap awkwardly, and choose the left, center, or right area based on how you want it to align on the page. You can use custom text alongside the built-in options, so feel free to combine a page number with a center title or a right-aligned date. Avoid including sensitive information since headers and footers will be visible on every printed page. When you're happy with the setup, click Confirm to save those custom entries. From there, choose Next or go straight to Print, or select Save as PDF if you're exporting. Your choices will apply to this sheet, and you can always return to File, Print to preview them again. Remember, you won't see these elements in the normal grid view. Use Print Preview to verify placement before you finalize. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.